The selection of any particular filler alloy is made largely upon cost and suitability for a particular application. It is recommended that you have your supplier of filler alloys advise you on their particular products and, wherever possible, have them offer you a data sheet or chart with their product information. A common general-purpose alloy is Easy Flow 2. This alloy has a high content of silver and a relatively low melting point. This alloy contains cadmium, and the necessary safety precautions must be observed when using this alloy. Special brazing rods containing phosphorus are available for the brazing of copper and copper alloys such as brass. Typical products are Silphos and Silbralloy. With these alloys, it is unnecessary to use flux when brazing copper to copper. However, flux must be used with these products when brazing brass. Let us consider the selection of a suitable flux. Fluxes, like filler alloy, are selected using manufacturers' data sheets. Easy Flow flux powder is a good general-purpose flux, which, according to the manufacturer's specifications, has a working range between 550 and 800 degrees. Flux is most commonly obtained in powder form. The powder is mixed with a little clean water to form a creamy paste. Before assembly and setup, apply this paste, using a paintbrush or swab, to the joint area, as well as all the surfaces surrounding the braze area. Flux should be applied liberally to ensure full protection against oxidation. The next step is the assembly or setting up of your workpieces in preparation for brazing. The two criteria necessary are that the parts are supported or held in such a way that heat losses will be minimal, and that the parts must not move whilst the filler material is molten. Heat losses can be reduced by supporting the work upon fire bricks. Jigs and supports may need to be constructed as aids for supporting and securing workpieces. Do not braze directly upon a steel top bench, as the work will not achieve brazing temperature owing to the heat transfer into the steel bench top. Never support your work directly in your bench vise, as this too will reduce the heating effect and also damage the vise.